Hi everyone, welcome to Vasulta Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, this is the reading, monthly reading for the zodiac sign Taurus, okay, for the month of August 2020. And so yeah, one important thing, guys, is that if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so this is a reading for Taurus for romance, career, relationship and finance. Okay, romance, career, relationship and finance. Okay, into your romantic love life, Taurus, a solid communication is coming in the month of August. For few of the Taurus, a solid communication is coming in the month of August, and for few of the Taurus, for the other Taurus people, you might be traveling to different country. You might be having a overseas travel. You might be traveling to different location. Okay, so some sort of traveling is included. Okay, into your romantic love life. Okay, so a solid communication is definitely coming. Okay, and a traveling might be involved for few of the tourists. Okay, the second is all about career. Okay, so career is all about you are thinking a lot when it comes to building a foundation into your career life. Okay, what kind of career you want to have, how you want to proceed further. You are having a detailed analysis when it comes to your career life. Okay, like how you want to proceed further into your life, how you want to move forward into your life, and what sort of changes you want to make into your career life. For few of the tourists, you might be changing or switching off up of a career might take place, a new beginning into your career might take place. Okay, a new life, new beginning, new business, new job, switching up of a job, switching up of a business, closing of a business, existing business, and starting new business, or starting new business totally and leaving up a job. Okay, so those things comes under career. For relationships, for the people who are into a relationship but separated, and the people who are into separation right now but separated, so yes, an important healing is taking place for you guys. A healing, an important internal healing, internal transformation is taking place when it comes to your relationship between you and your partner, between this connection. Okay, an important healing you are going through, an important transformation you are going through, an important internal knowing you are going through. Okay, realizing all the facts and figures about your life, about this connection, analyzing this connection minutely, precisely. Okay, yes, this is all about relationship. You are going through, the people who are into separation, they are hoping, believing, and just having a positive approach into this connection. Okay, your partner might be offering a reconciliation offer to you. Okay, the people who are separated, they would like to reconcile. If they are dealing with a karmic partner, then karmic cycles are coming to an end this month. If you are dealing with a twin flame connection, so the people who are into separation will be coming together in the month of August. Okay, or an action will be taken either by your side or your partner's side. Okay, so yes, a major healing process is coming on. Okay, you are going through a major healing process in terms of your relationship. Okay, financial life, You're sad, you're depressed, you're worried a lot when it comes to your financial life. Okay, you want your to build a stable life when it comes to your financial life, but you are overstressed about it. You are thinking a lot about your stability when it comes to your financial life, having sleepless nights in the month of August when it comes to your financial life. You will be overthinking when it comes to your financial stuff, financial life, how to build your financial life, how to move ahead with your financial stuff, how to accumulate, the finances, how to recollect the money which has been given to someone, or how you want to get a lot of money if you need it. Okay, so you have a lot of stuff, and the stress part is a lot, depressed energy is a lot when it comes to your um, financial life. Okay, Taurus. So yeah. I'm clarifying all the cards. Okay. Wow. Sorry guys. Okay. Whatever decks I'm using, guys, the details are given in the description box below. I don't know why it's happening, but yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. So many cards at once, but yeah, I'll be clarifying it. Okay, so yeah, two cards are here. So I'm taking two cards when it comes to your financial life. Okay, so okay, so someone wants to make a solid communication. A communication is coming into your romantic love life. Okay, that communication may involve a family life, okay, a person, okay, a connection. So someone wants to offer a cup of love towards you. It might be a reconciliation, it might be a solid communication related to the problems you had with this person in the past, or else, something is there. For the people who are single, a new love might enter into your life. For the people who are already into a commitment, so a solid communication will be taking place in the month of August when it comes to your home life. Okay, like clearing out, sorting out the problems between you and your partner. Okay, if things were not stable between you. Okay, so yeah, and some of you, few people are in the Taurus zodiac will be traveling towards their partner, or they will be coming towards you. Okay, yes. So, into your career life, Taurus, you are focusing more on your stability, independent, stable energy you want, and you are really thinking about it day and night. Okay, if you are not executing anything in the month of July, then you will be definitely executing everything in the month of August. Okay, you want a solid, stable, independent life in the month of August, and you will be working hard towards it, focusing towards it. You will be giving it all towards, stable life, stable career, stability when it comes to your financial life, like stable career, stability into your career life, whether it's job, whether it's business, whether it's your whether it's for students who are studying right now. So everyone will be focusing on their stability into their own career. Okay, some might be working on some new careers, some new business projects, some new job offers. Okay, some might be joining some new job. Okay, so whatever you are going through, you will be, focusing on it, everything, like, you will be having a stable approach. You just want a major stability when it comes to your career life. Okay, and you will be working hard towards it in the month of August. Okay, relationship, the Hierophant. Relationship, you are going through some major healing when it comes to this section. of relationship might involve people who are married, the people who are married but separated. Okay, so very a lot of up and down energies I'm seeing when it comes to your married life. Very unstable situation is there into your married life, Taurus. Okay, because you are going through a lot of healing process, internal transformation, and you are understanding a lot of logical facts and figures when it comes to your married life. Okay, you are understanding the reality about marriage, about your commitment, about your relationship with this person or this connection. Okay, so if it's in reverse, that means it's very unstable right now. Okay, and it will be going on unstably. It will be unstable in the month of August as well. Okay, but at the same time you are understanding a lot of facts, figures, because you are going through some major healing process. Okay, internally, not outside the not about outside world. You will be going through a major healing process internally within yourself. You are digging out the facts and figures, what are you supposed to do, how you want your life to be when it comes to this connection, your life. Okay, so you have a very independent energy, like you will be focusing on yourself more. Self love, self care in the month of August will be there. Okay, because you are not focusing much on this traditional values that is known as marriage or commitment, but you are focusing on yourself. Self love, self care is utmost priority in this connection for you. Okay, so you will be focusing on yourself. You'll be committing to yourself about self love, self care. You will be loving yourself. Okay, that's the most important thing. Healing when it comes to self love, self care, understanding about yourself, your self worth. Okay, into this connection. Okay, so yeah, financial life, a lot of issues are there when it comes to your financial stuff. Okay, it might be going on internally into your head, or else it might be going on externally. Okay, take it however it resonates. But yeah, you're daydreaming, you want to reach to some level of some sort of goal. Okay, some sort of position, some sort of aim, some sort of uh, reaching to a particular level of goal. Okay, pursuing that goal. Okay, so you will be working hard towards pursuing that goal in the month of August. Okay, like after 15th of August, I feel you will be, whatever you're planning, whatever you're thinking, after 15th of August you will be thinking to execute it, you will be thinking to implement it, because you had a lot of time in thinking about it, but you haven't executed it yet. But you will be executing it definitely in the month of August, after 15th of August, because you will be having positive vibrations. Like now it's the time, it's the time for thinking is done. Now now is the time for action. Okay, so yeah, you will be moving away from certain conflicts, if you know, in office or in career, or in your business. If things are not going on financially good, you will be moving away from politics and problems. Okay, which is coming into your life, into your financial life. Okay, so yeah, be careful about sneaky energies. Okay, which is around you when it comes to your office, your business life, your colleagues and all. Okay, so I can see there is some sneaky energies going on around you. Okay, so yeah. Okay, I'm taking this. Oh, the Tower. So finally, you are at a stage, Taurus. Demolish Major shakeup is about to happen. Demolishing. Finally, you will be making a decision about your life. Okay, demolishing of a bad cycle, bad situation, toxic people, toxic lifestyle. Whether it's relationship or your career, you will be clear-headed how you want to build your life. You will be rebuilding your life. You will be rebuilding your tower back in your own way, in your own life, in your own manner, into your own thought process. Okay, so demolishing of a bad cycle, bad situation, toxic people, and establishing a new life, new beginning, new lifestyle, new lifestyle related to relationship, new lifestyle related to career. Okay, so yeah, major changes, 360-degree angle. Your life is about to turn in the month of August, guys. Okay, your perception is about to change. Your decisions you will be making in the month of August, major decisions of your life. Okay, which will, help you to, establish your own life into your own way. Okay, and that's the beautiful part, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. August is full of changes. August will be full of decisions. August will be full of changing your perception about life. August will be full of self love, self care, self awareness, starting new beginnings, new life. Okay, so yeah. Some of the Taurus will be starting a new beginning with their partner as well. Okay, so yeah, if you are single, I have told you both the energies. Okay, you can correlate whichever suits you the best. Okay, so yeah, universal message: you are you are ripping out all the, unnecessary or unwanted things from your life. Okay, you are moving towards your wish fulfillment. 9 is all about wish fulfillment. What are you supposed to do, how you want to move forward. Okay, you will be taking cold decisions about your life. What are those things which you want, which you are supposed to do, though it will, make you emotionally, you will be emotional in the month of August with few things, with few decisions, but you will be taking it, you will be taking solid decisions. Okay, you will be spending time with yourself more as compared to others. Okay, so self care and self love will be the theme of August, Taurus. Major cycle is completing, major transformation is taking place, endings and new beginnings. Completion is all about endings and new beginnings. Something is ending, might be a relationship, might be a, lifestyle, might be toxic things into your life, might be your thought process. Something is ending. Endings and new beginnings are taking place for you guys. Okay, universe is talking to you through your dreams. Okay, if you're, dreaming about something, okay, do not take it lightly, because universe is communicating through your dreams. Okay, so understand those dreams, okay, which you are having. You have to be, careful about your dreams. Okay, guys, Taurus, I would rather suggest you be careful about your dreams. Okay, oh my. So one healing message for you guys in the month of August: healthy love. So if you think, if I love someone, I need to take care of them if they are in pain or suffering. So the healthy message for you, universal message for you, Taurus, is that if I love someone who is in pain, I can allow them space if they need to solve a problem on their own privately. So give a space to people. If you are not giving, if someone is in pain and if you feel they need you, only then go. Otherwise, leave them alone for a while. Allow them to take their own decisions. Okay, give them space. Do not poke them again and again. Okay, one important thing, guys, is that, kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers. Okay, so so the archangel for the month of August for you guys is that Archangel Gabriel. Okay, so the Archangel Gabriel message for you guys is that I relax my body, mind and spirit to meditate regularly. Great ideas are constantly flowing into my mind. It is fulfilling to follow through on creativity thoughts. 1 minute. Great ideas are constantly flowing into my mind. It is fulfilling to follow through on creative thoughts and manifest my reality. I take enthusiastic action and I am productive. So you will be taking an action and you will be productive in the month of August, definitely. So your gemstone for the month of August is Dolomite. Dolomite. It looks like that. Dolomite. Dolomite. You can search on Google. So universal message for you from your archangel to you. Okay, have you wanted to do something creative and are you feeling artistic? So his message is, let your inspiration flow and generate your insight into manifest reality. It doesn't matter what it is. It could be a nice meal, a pretty garden, an amazing photograph, or some swing project. Regardless, now is the time to produce it. It will bring you fulfillment and purpose. So now is the time to take action. So August will be the month for action for you guys, okay? And Archangel Gabriel is there for you in the month of August to inspire you, to guide you to deeper understanding of your dreams and inner knowing. So you will, in the month of August, you will be going through understanding a lot of facts, a lot of life purpose about yourself internally, okay? So you are divinely guided to understand yourself, to understand your dreams internally within yourself. You will be, understanding yourself much more better in a better way in the month of August. Self love and self care will be the utmost priority, and it will be the theme for August, okay guys? So yeah, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers and kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.